With only a couple of hours left until Christmas, many are getting into the holiday spirit. We sent Fox 59's Scarlett O'Hara out to capture that, and she brought back this poem.
'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through downtown, news crews searched for a story, and here's what we found. At first, it was quiet, except for one sound: carriage wheels and some horses trotting around.
Hopefully it gets pretty busy here in the next couple hours. There's lots of Christmas lights out this year, and it's really nice and warm.
Yes, he works Christmas Eve, just like we are. But a horse? In the city? I asked, is it hard?
We're actually a lot more agile than you think we are.
What's a tale without a villain? This one's tall and he's green. You might even know him, but I promise he's not mean.
The presents that I stole. No, I'm just kidding.
The Grinch on a bike, I'll admit, was surprising. Good thing he brought no trouble, instead, only smiling.
It's entertainment and excitement, for the kids and stuff, like they see something like this, fully costume and everything like that. They're like, oh, Mom, look, there's the Grinch, just to get the joy out of Christmas.
We then talked to children down at the circle. One wants a dress for Christmas, the color of
purple.
Snowflakes danced off of buildings, but not on the street. While some kids were sad, for bikers, 50 degrees is a treat.
This is my biker family, and we're spending time together on Christmas Eve and having a good time.
I looked around at the colors, bright, luminescent, as kids said they're anxious for none other than
Presents. Open presents. Santa gonna get some snow and some presents.
I couldn't help but ask what they all hope to see, sparkling and wrapped underneath the tree.
A PS5. Legos. Say it. A nutcracker.
But there's more to the season than getting new stuff. Everyone's got their own reason, and to some, family's enough.
Just make sure you tell your family members you love them and everything, because family's always first.
Though the day began slow, some might say even boring, by night crowds started to grow, and at last we had plenty of stories.
Happy Christmas!
With that, we must leave you. For minutes, we have only 2. I'm Scarlett O'Hara with Fox 59, so Indianapolis, Merry Christmas to you.